Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to place a hold on an item using your Yolo County Library card. To begin, we will be going to yolocountylibrary.org. The homepage should look like this. Please note that there are two ways to access your account. Option 1 is by clicking on the My Account link at the top right corner. Option 2 is by searching through our catalog. For more information on Option 1, please watch our Accessing Your Yolo County Library Account video. For purposes of this video, we will be exploring Option 2. The first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that the catalog is selected under Search Our. Next, we will type our keyword search and hit Search. This will bring up a list of search results based on the keyword search. Once you have found an item, go ahead and click on the title. This will open a page for more information about your chosen title. When you scroll down, you can see three categories: location, call number, and status. Location lets you know what library the item is in. Call number lets you know where in the library you can find this item, and status will let you know if the item is available. When you see a due date in the status location, it means the item is currently checked out and due back on the date listed. If you see on hold shelf, it means the item is currently on the hold shelf waiting to be picked up by a person who placed the hold. If you see in transit, it means the item is on its way to the library where the patron requested the pickup. And finally, if you see check shelves, it means the item is at the library available to check out. You can place a hold on items that are checked out. You will be put on a holds list. Once you have selected your item, go ahead and click the request button right above keyword. This will prompt you to enter your 14-digit library card number located on the back of your Yolo County Library card, followed by your PIN number. If you have forgotten your PIN number, please call your nearest branch to reset your PIN number. After submitting, you will need to verify your request by making sure that the title matches the item that you chose. It will also ask you what branch you would like to pick up your item by selecting the branch in the drop-down menu. It will automatically default to your home library. Once you have entered all this information, you will want to click Submit. If you have requested an item containing multiple volumes, at this time you will be able to select the volume number and click Request Item. Finally, you will see that your request is successful and you will receive a notice when your item is ready to be picked up at your chosen location. If you have any questions, please contact your nearest Yolo County Library branch. Thank you.